Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to link Instagram to a Facebook business page. This is just gonna be a quick video tutorial. Alright, all you have to do is open your Facebook business page and make sure you are the Facebook page admin so you can edit your page. Let's just click on the settings on the left here. As you can see, the link accounts on the left side, and click it. Then now you can see the Instagram. Click connect account and click connect. It's up to you if you want to allow access to Instagram messages in inbox, but I suggest that you need to on it. Now let's connect Instagram to your page. So now all you have to do is to log in. After logging in, you just need to wait a few minutes. Then as you can see, it is now connected to an Instagram account. You can also link your WhatsApp to your Facebook business page. You just have to click this WhatsApp on the left, then put your number, and that's it. Now your Instagram is connected to your Facebook business page. So I hope you learned something in this video. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, and growing a Facebook page and how to tutorials about digital marketing, make sure to check out our YouTube channel that you can see on the screen here. So see you next time.